Hello and good Thursday morning, everybody. It is January the 16th, and I'm Chris Allen here on the SAM channel. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and X, all sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace. It is a clear morning, or mostly clear. There's a few clouds around as we take a look from the Plano cam here at almost 7:30, just coming up on 7:30 this morning, and everything looking good. I did see a few clouds a few minutes ago, but those have since cleared out. We're going to see a sunny day. It's going to be breezy. It's not yet breezy, but it will be breezy and warmer for today. So that is going to be the difference. And you can already tell a difference this morning that it is warmer now than it was yesterday when we started out at this hour in the teens, and some of you in the single digits. We don't have that. Those single digit temperatures are mostly north of us where you still have a snowpack on the ground. And that makes for colder temperatures. Much colder than here in the southern part of the state where we don't have as much in the way of snowpack. A lot of it has melted, but there still may be a little bit out there this morning. Look at these temperatures in the 30s this morning. That's a big change. Big change. So you won't be as cold this morning, and you may not even have to defrost your windshield. As temperatures here are like 33 in Bowling Green, 31 in Russellville and in Scottsville. The coldest 24, that's down along the Cumberland River in Cumberland County near Burkesville. You've got 34 up in Greene County. I mean, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. Wind, let's check on the wind. Winds are coming mostly out of the south and southwest at 5 to 10. The winds will pick up today. It will be breezy, but it's going to be a southerly wind, therefore a bit warmer. And starting to see a little bit of a breeze here when those blues show up, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds coming out of the south and southwest. So that means a warmer flow for us today, which is going to feel pretty nice, I think. It'll feel, the next couple of days are going to feel like we have gone on into spring. And we have not, because we're about to get some of the coldest air yet this winter season. It's on its way. All right, here's a look at the satellite picture this morning. And you're seeing some cloud cover, from Louisville down to east of Bowling Green, over the Cumberland Plateau. All of that cloud cover is continuing to push off to the north and east. All of this back here west of us is clear skies. So we're going to see a sunny day. High pressure is in control, and it all looks really good today. And that southerly flow will help us warm into the mid 40s. How about that? That's going to feel pretty nice. And the next couple of days, maybe even low 50s. It's going to feel, like I said, it's going to feel like, it's going to make you think winter is over. Here we go into spring, but no. You got to see what I'm going to show you here in a few minutes, because like I said, some of the coldest air yet this season is about to hit us. This weekend, especially. Okay, here is the map situation this morning. And it looks like with a little upper wave, we had some snow flurries, pretty much just snow flurries off in the extreme northeastern part of Kentucky this morning. But other than that, everything else is fine. That's why we're seeing some cloud cover northeast of Bowling Green. All that's going to float on by and not even affect us. Here is this afternoon about midday into this evening. Still some leftover flurries and all from Ohio and West Virginia and extreme northern part of Kentucky up near Cincinnati. Here we go into midnight. There may be some fog that forms, and that would be because of the cold ground, especially if you still have snow on the ground. It has not melted yet. You got the cold ground, plus we have overrunning warmer air. So once that warmer air overruns the cold ground, we're likely to see some fog in certain places tonight and early tomorrow morning. But as your Friday gets going, it's going to be nice. It's going to start sunny. It's going to start warmer. Look at that warm front right there west of us. That is the warmer air coming in that's going to help us get into the low 50s tomorrow, but moisture is on the way. Now I'm going to run here, and it looks like I don't see any moisture. Well, let's go to Friday evening. Boom. I mean, it's going to just pretty much be just appearing from out of the Gulf of Mexico and ahead of this system moving through the plains. And by Friday evening, well, I'm actually thinking it's going to be a little bit later than this. This is 6 o'clock Friday evening. I think it's actually going to be closer to 9, 10, maybe even midnight tomorrow night before the rain begins to move in. But it'll be rain, and it will be all rain as we go through Friday night into Saturday morning. All rain, as you see there. This is Saturday morning. There's some mixy stuff up near the Great Lakes and in the higher elevations of Appalachia, but for us, it's all going to be rain. Now, as we get into Saturday evening, temperatures will fall with the passage of that cold front. And if there's any leftover moisture, yeah, maybe there could be a snow shower, brief, or even just flurries, because this system is in a hurry. It's going to move out fast. There's not going to be any time to linger and produce any beneficial snowfall or significant snowfall. But for those of you that still have snow on the ground after today, you're going to get maybe a light coating or a dusting in some cases, especially east of I-65 is the better setup for maybe some additional light snow flurry or snow shower activity. This is into Saturday night and Sunday morning. Then that system pulls away. We get Monday looking good here. Here comes another little piece of energy out of the four corners on Monday into Tuesday. This time it dives southward thanks to this ridge of high pressure that will be over our area, and a rare, for the Gulf Coast, a rare winter storm is going to set up. Snow, ice, and then a chilly rain, even all the way down to places like Houston, Corpus Christi, Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Gulfport, Biloxi. Oops. It changed. It updated on me. Where is it? Let me find it again. There it is. So, yeah, even look, Panhandle of Florida. Maybe Panama City, Pensacola, over toward Tallahassee, freezing rain and sleet, maybe. It won't turn into rain until you get just about to the coastline. That's crazy. Look at all the snow. Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, the Carolinas. None of it affecting us up here in Kentucky. Here we go into Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. System begins to pull away. Thursday of next week, high pressure builds in and everything is good. much better, but in regard of the winter storm, but you've got to see, I want you to see just how cold it is going to get, because it is going to be a bone chiller. And as far as, several days of very, very cold air, it's going to be some of the hardest that we've had so far this winter. And we've had little hits of this already, but we go from about 45, they're showing 47 today, to 27 or so tonight. I'm actually going a little colder, closer to 24, 25. Then we go 52. I agree with that for tomorrow. This is the blend of models, by the way, not just one, like you see on social media when people are just picking one model that shows the most snow and the most severe weather, and then they post that one map. This is a blend, as it says right here, blend of models. That's taking in a majority of the highest output, most reliable of the computer models, putting them in a blender and spitting it out. These are the averages of all of those. So you're going to get a pretty good picture of what's going to happen, in case you're new to this and you're not understanding what this is. So we go 52 tomorrow, then around 50, 47 to 50 on Saturday before the cold front. That's rain. But then as the colder air comes in for Saturday night, Sunday morning, we get down below freezing again into the 20s, maybe even upper teens, and only go to about 27 to 30 on Sunday. But look what happens after that. Sunday night, as skies clear, 8 single digits for Sunday night into Monday morning. And then only up to 20, maybe even just 18, 19, or 20 for a high temperature. Look at that. We go from 52 to 20. This is some powerfully cold air. A big Arctic plunge. 20 or the upper teens back down to 9. That's going to be Monday night into Tuesday morning. That's when those 2 nights, Monday night or Sunday night, Monday night, are going to be some of the coldest nights we've had in a while. And then only up to about 21 on Tuesday. We do see some moderation and a warming trend. As we get into next week, high temperatures will be returning for the middle and end of next week into the 40s, mid 40s even, and that is where we're supposed to be for high temperatures this time of the year. About 45, 46. That is the normal high temperature for this time of the year. So we're going to get back there, and it's going to feel much better. And actually today, tomorrow, and the start of Saturday is going to feel almost balmy, almost spring-like. But as far as the winter storm, like a lot of the networks and stuff are talking about, that's not us. That's not for us this time. We are going to get just rain. And the rain will start tomorrow night, Friday night, and go into I'd say the first half through about midday on Saturday. Then as the cold air comes in Saturday night, any leftover moisture will then change over to some light snow or snow flurries, but I'm not anticipating any kind of issue, any kind of accumulation. There could be a light coating or a dusting in some places, especially east of Bowling Green and Interstate 65 for Saturday night into Sunday morning. But the bigger story here, the biggest story for our weather is going to be the bitter, bitter cold that's coming at the beginning of next week. All right, that will do it for this Thursday edition of the Sam Channel Weather. Thank you as always for watching. Have a great day God bless.